Hi, today I'm going to cover replacing the horn or hooter on your bike. Well, I'm going to test a few because I want to change the one on my KTM. I want it a little bit louder. So I bought a few different ones off of AliExpress just to test them, to see what the current draw, it would be a straight swap for the OEM, or I'd have to put a relay in and stuff like that, and if it affected the CAN bus or stuff like that in any way. So I bought 3 different models. These two are 110 dBs apparently, 510 hertz, which is not a bad frequency. This one cost me £6, so that's about $8–9. This one a little bit more expensive. We'll find out why. This cost me £9 or about $12. They both come with the brackets and the wiring and stuff like that in the box. And this one, some of you might be familiar with. This is the Denelli Sound Bomb style. This is going to need a relay, but we'll check it out. I want to check the output of it and how much current it does actually draw. This costs me £21 to the front door, so that's about $29–30 US. So considerably cheaper than the Denelli Sound Bomb. So I'm on an older KTM. I had a Denelli Sound Bomb, so I have a pretty good idea of the output of it. But we'll see what this one's like. Yeah, they all look pretty decently made. I mean, the test is going to be, the proof is going to be in testing them. I'm also going to see if I can environmentally test them a little bit by putting a little bit of water on them and stuff like that to see how they fare. So that's it. Let's get into testing them, see what the sound output's like, and how much sort of current they draw each one. Okay, we're going to test each of these individually. So basically, from the microphone on the iPad, it's 100 centimeters. So this is, we're going to go the cheapest to the most expensive. So this is the cheapest horn. So we'll just pan this round so we can see the sound meter and the current draw on it. Yeah, I know this isn't very scientific, but it's the best I can do on a Saturday morning. So let's see the frequency, the sound, and how much current it draws. There we go. That was reasonably loud. Okay, this is our next one. Just pan round so we get the power supply. This is running at 12.5 volts. Current's fully up. So let's see what this one's like. Okay, this is our Denelli Sound Bomb copy. So we'll just pan around again. Get our amp meter, power supply, and our dB meter. This should be the loudest by a long shot. Plus draw the most current. Okay, that was definitely the most current at 10 amps. Looking at that, and potentially the loudest, but I'll have to look back over the video and see how they scored. That's it, my unscientific test on 3 different types of horns to see which is the loudest. I know which is the loudest, but if I can get away with using one without putting in a relay for the OEM, because of the current draw, then that's the one I most probably use. So that concludes my unscientific test.